Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install an operating system in VirtualBox. So let's get started. First, I'm just going to open VirtualBox right there. And I'm going to go to Tools and click New Tutorial OS. This is going to be Windows. It's going to be Windows 7. And I'm going to use 6144 megabytes of RAM. That's 6 gigs, half my amount of RAM. And I'm going to create a virtual hard disk right now. So I'm going to click Create. I'm not going to change any of this stuff. I'm just going to click Create. And I'll go to Settings. And I'm going to go to Storage. I'll add an IDE controller right here, which I'm going to choose a disk for Windows 7 64-bit. And I'm also going to install VirtualBox Guest Editions for this operating system, so I'm just going to do that right now. So I'm just going to click OK, and I'm going to start the OS, and it should begin the operating system setup. We've successfully installed an operating system in VirtualBox. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to install VirtualBox Guest Editions and enabling the Aero theme, as well as enabling DirectX graphics. This has been Propane865. Talk to you later.